Mr. Ali Ibrahim.
Thank you, Mr. Muntasari, for the kind words and nice words. Well, I prepared a long speech, but when I discovered that Professor Charles King will be presenting his speech, so I made it very short. This exhibition and conference on direct selling are being held at the most opportune time. It is a pleasure to know that some 65 leading direct selling companies from 12 countries and visitors from over 30 countries are meeting in Dubai for this event. This not only reflects the growth of Dubai as a destination, it also highlights the city's vibrant and dynamic business climate. By nature, direct selling is not labor or capital enterprise activity. The success of direct selling is directly related to the customer and the marketer. But more important, direct selling has created a new breed of businessmen who are not depending on funding or manpower. Through focused planning and market research, they go about with the marketing of their products on their own. Direct selling creates employment opportunity, eliminate middlemen, and it's less risky than traditional business. The contribution of direct selling to the economy is significant, especially in empowering women. Mr. Benjamin Tan from Singapore, he will elaborate more on the role of direct selling impact on the economy. Today, over 60 million people globally are involved in direct selling, which is now more than $100 billion industry. Direct selling is particularly suited for products that cannot be bought off the shelf. However, as with all marketing effort, direct selling also has its challenges. I think the main concern raised about direct selling is accountability. Direct selling involves only the buyer and seller, and it's important that desired standards with respect to quality and service are upheld. I must add, however, the accountability of direct selling has also made the practitioner more responsible. Direct selling operates on trust. Dubai has been upholding best practice and is today a destination of retail for tourism for all over the world. This reputation has been built upon through Dubai's commitment to quality and service excellence. There are certain areas where direct selling practitioner must give clear emphasis. One is the practice of counterfeit and fake goods, which must be discouraged at source. The Dubai Department of Economic Development has been working hard to curb the problem of fake goods in Dubai, which affects the overall trust of the market. Secondly, it is important that the direct selling team members are given adequate training. However, the industry must make concrete steps to bring in well-defined standard of excellence to the industry. In this regard, the Dubai Department of Economic Development is keen to achieve increased integration and cooperation among direct selling companies in Dubai, laying the foundation for attractive business atmosphere in Dubai. At the end, we hope the seminar will play a key role in addressing the challenges and opportunities facing the industry with the purpose of improving of the quality and competency of the industry. At the end, I wish you all the best, and I wish our guests in Dubai a good stay, and thank you for all.
Thank you, Mr. Ali Ibrahim.